You need to watch this if you're born on the 7th, 16th, or on the 25th of the month.
Number 7, that is those born on the 7th, the 16th, the 25th, or if they're under the sign of Cancer or indirectly a Pisces, tend to suffer with mental aggravation, worry, mental exhaustion, things like that. They also suffer with night sweats too. They tend to be kind of like worry. For some reason, worry seems to bother with sevens. Why that is, I don't know. Maybe it's a spiritual number, and we live in a more complex world. But basically, that's what affects them. And also, in addition, they tend to let imagination get the best of them too. So, for example, a person born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th, right? They'll worry about a concern. Then when they get to that point, get on the other side and look back, hey, it was no big deal. But for them at that time, leading up to it, it was very serious. So during January, April, and August, these are the cautionary months for this particular number and sign.
Grab your numerology analysis today at numerology33.com.